DJ Listen.
Welcome to Mogadishu, one of the most dangerous places on earth.
جبري قلبي وجبشة دري كله جدال جاهلي جدالي جبري قلبي
هي الصومالية إنها كشفتي دبابتي الماس بقولتي نو أصل نقول تاجرة كقيب قاطع ما تسكين هيلو الكبرانية صومالي أنا راسه صومالي أنا راسه
waxaan joognaa magaalada muqdisho waxaan ka soo qaybgalaan dhammaantood nabadan ay qaataan booliska dalkan ay qayb ka noqdaan.
I wish that this is going to be successful and a milestone event for the whole country.
Next week is the Mogadishu Music Festival, so come and enjoy it. The primary goal with Somali Sunrise with Wayaha Usub and their music is to persuade youth not to pick up weapons, not to join extremists.
diyaartihiin mid doon fuula mid muud gataal qaata mid ciidan ku biira mid nabasuud ku biira mid dukaan ku biira mid gaariyado wada qof walba intii nadaa kala qaybsana qarankana waa intuu baahan yahay Soomaaliya.
Somebody call me. Stop that music. If you not stop that music, we're gonna kill you.
Baduu way xagtay manaha in nafsi hadii in Syria
Wayaha Usub is without a doubt the bravest set of musicians I ever worked with.
Listen guys. Go, that's it? Yes. Okay, that's it. Go ahead. No, me, I don't want touch. Me, I don't want touch. I'm serious, that's it. No, I don't want to touch.
The ladies from African American. I want to congratulate each one of you guys. Very happy to have you here.
You'll be the first one. It's like
starting our festival, so that's a great job. I'm so happy.
So this music can play a role to bring peace to Mogadishu.
Yes, inshallah, I hope so.
جوهرتي يديدا نهجرتي ستالي
ويا عشان they're nice people music, and I love them.